Ball pool pits for dog enrichment. Ball pools are a super fun sensory and scent enrichment opportunity for all dogs. Always use supervision to ensure the balls are not chewed, and a collapsible pen like this one makes it easy for them to get in and out. You can use both treats and toys within a ball pool pit. Ball pool pit aids in boosting confidence and becoming comfortable with items around the paws. Meeting the biological need for sniffing and foraging. Challenging the brain for healthy brain activity and development, as well as helping senior dogs with healthy brain challenges. This also gives them physical exercise, which is really helpful for rainy days and decompression days. You can also use these outside when the weather is better as a part of your enrichment garden. They are also super cheap and so worth it for the amount of enrichment and enjoyment your dog will get. For those who like to challenge meal times, you can also use the ball pool pit for this. Although I put this one together myself, the big companies are onto this now, and you can purchase the setup for around £40 from Amazon. Look at those waggy tails. Enrichment also helps our dogs with critical thinking skills and problem solving. And as always, enrichment offers the opportunity for all important deep sleep post-play for healthy brain activity.